Hi, it's Tommy Stewart, and I'm going to talk to you about the 7-Click affiliate, which is being put up for sale on the 27th of this month, November. It's been put together by a guy called Vic Carty, together with two other chaps. I'm sorry I don't have their names to hand, but I don't think you'll be upset about that. So, what is 7-Click affiliate, you might ask? Obviously, it's 7 tools specifically intended with generating affiliate sales, each to play its own part in creating a much faster and thus more profitable end result. Let's have a look at 7 parts separately. Alright? 1. Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, this displays the top Warrior Plus launches on a 24-hourly update. It shows the title of the launch product, the vendor's name, offer date, a remark count section with a convenient link to the affiliate page. Warrior Plus Launch Profits has a YouTube stats product popularity tabs too. ClickBank, number 2. This bit of software shows the top ClickBank products. Again, this updates every 24 hours. Just put in your keyword to view all the product sales stats, price, product ratings and filters by numerous high commission product categories. Number 3, JVZoo. All the top products are displayed for any keyword, and so JVZoo products are easily uncovered. Number 4, that's affiliate click number 4. Bonus Profits Creator. This gizmo is the easiest method by which to create high converting next gen bonus pages in minutes. Product number 5. Product Sentiment Analysis. This lets you know about the popularity and reactions of any product from social media platforms and blogs. Product number 6, Rapid Ranker. This is a beauty. This it uses live video to rank you onto page 1 of Google or YouTube. Lovely. I could do with that. Number 7, the last one, the Video Creator. You now have the fastest way to create YouTube videos. Import your images and open that into the tool to create your videos in seconds. When you look at what these tools offer, they offer you a way to increase your success and decrease your failure. So why use 7-Click affiliate? Well, if you're an affiliate marketer, it is important that you have the correct attitude and concentrate on how strong you can build your business instead of how much money you can make. The money will follow. Same as in my business. When I was in my video business, I just concentrated on doing the business, and the money followed, and before I knew it, I was worth a few £100,000. What we have here is a tool suite to help you analysing and producing the best formula to give you less failure and a better chance to succeed. 7-click affiliate is just about as newbie friendly as you can get. Just about anyone can use these tools to generate better results and eliminate any failure. It really is a bargain at $7. I mean, it's for nothing at $7. And in the future will save you a lot of time and money, considering that you have the use of it for all time thereafter. I've put together a collection of free bonuses, 5 free videos, which are worth a heck of a lot more than the $7 you pay for this software. If you look below this video, you will see my domain, Tommy Stewart, and if you click on it, you will be able to see the 5 videos that I'm giving away with this software. So I think you'll agree with me when you look at them that you're getting a bargain. I hope you can see me all right. It's night time now. I've no daylight coming in, and I'm using a silly little light over there. So I hope it's working. All right. I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.